So I just arrived in Kars, and this is my room in Kars. It's expensive, but you know, this is the cheapest room that I can find, and this is the view. The mosque is just in front of the hotel, so it's really good. The hotel is really nice because they allow me to do check-in before 12. So now it's very early in the morning because I arrived in Kars at 7. Actually, it's before 7 a.m. The bus company dropped me to here, so it's really good. So my journey from Riza to Kars, it's very smooth. Good morning, everybody. After I arrive, I don't necessarily go to shower, and instead I do this and that. I already late for the bus to Ani, so I will go tomorrow, and today I will go to a castle, mosque, and maybe some museum. Now I'm going to have lunch first because I'm super hungry, and also last night on the bus from Trabzon to Kars, I didn't have any sleep. I mean, I sleep only a little, but I'm a little bit sleepy. Anyway, this is my lunch. It's very big, right? So it's kofte, beef and potato, and this is salad, and that is rice with kebab. Hello again, guys. So today is my first day in Kars. We're going to visit this castle, Kars Castle. I think it's a must when you are in Kars. Kars has multiple nations been here, so Russia, Armenia, and Turkish as well. This is very interesting city. Now we're going to explore this castle first. Let's see what is in there. It's getting closer and closer. I think this time is a perfect time to visit Kars. It's not so much tourists. It's with peak season that it's gonna be very many tourists in here. It's gonna be not nice. It's really good that I come in the perfect time. Now we're going to enter this door. Should we go there? This is the view of the city. It's like other castle, the view of the city you will get from the castle, because castle is on the hills. Usually castle is already ruined, nothing in there, is only the wall. It's still not a must to see when you are in Kars. Moreover, it's really castle in Turkey, it left only the ruin because it built 1,000 years ago. This is really cool. Let's see from here. It's very interesting that there are like maybe 6 mosques just down below the castle. This is Evliya Mosque, Evliya Chami 1. And just in front of me here, it's also a mosque. And there, mosque, see there? That's a mosque. And then just down there, it's also a mosque. There, and also the one that, I rest on the grass, it's a mosque. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's very close to each other. It's very, very interesting, right? So this is Kars.